when you grow up and get married and have your own kids, you may tend to go to the other extreme and say, I never want that kind of pain to be in my children, so I'm going to gift them until, there are more packages under the Christmas tree than the height of the Christmas tree. And that swinging of pendulum to the opposite usually has another set of consequences that aren't particularly good. So my advice to the swinging pendulum, those truths that you got embedded with are still active in your adult mind, and you can become aware of, wait a minute, is that really such a good idea given the age of my kids and how much money we have and the lessons I want to teach them about giving and sharing. And I think that way it helps people contain the extremes.